Patients expect affordable, efficacious, and safe healthcare wherever they are and whenever they need it. Biopharmaceutical organizations produce therapeutic solutions to address patients' changing needs, and in the process, assume significant responsibility to provide consistent product quality and efficacy wherever they are manufactured. Ensuring that these therapies are produced as designed and as registered is an important and continuous challenge. The global shift to precision medicine continues to be facilitated by advances in translational sciences, genomics, and biotechnology-based medicines. Driven by superior efficacy, pricing, and exclusivity, and the ability to satisfy previously unmet medical needs, biologics have overtaken traditional small molecules as the preferred therapeutic solutions. As newer biologic medicines come to market, the first generation of biologics are beginning to face competition from biosimilars as patents expire. All of these changes are creating a paradigm shift in pharmaceutical manufacturing to more predictive and adaptive facilities that leverage modular technology, disposable components, the Internet of Things, smart objects, remote control, and augmented reality. With investments in next-generation manufacturing, pharmaceutical and biotechnology companies will significantly extend their competitive advantage and move toward their objectives of globalization, market differentiation, and speed to market, all while controlling costs and continuing to focus on total quality. The Dassault Systèmes 3D Experience platform gives healthcare organizations the environment and capabilities to consistently deliver outstanding healthcare worldwide. For executives, meeting these objectives requires visibility with real-time access to critical KPIs. Manufacturing, quality, and process development teams can work together across boundaries to minimize costs for stakeholders and risks to healthcare consumers. At the same time, these teams deliver business benefits, including minimized variability, reliably predictable quality, optimized production operations, and positive supply chain impacts. High-quality launches are enabled by end-to-end digital integration across the value chain. Vertically integrated and networked manufacturing systems enable operational excellence, and continuous improvement is enabled through global process consistency and real-time visibility delivered across a global, horizontally integrated value chain. The Dassault Systèmes solution for manufacturing provides visibility across the enterprise and data-driven decision-making for therapeutics design, development, and commercialization. Infusing virtualization and simulation into manufacturing, planning, and operations helps ensure therapies are produced as designed and as registered in the most cost-effective and high-quality manner. This means that therapeutics can be delivered to market sooner, and patients can count on a faster, more reliable delivery of medicines wherever and whenever they are needed.